Dubai looks like tomorrow, but its story still begins at the creek. Give it 4 days, and the city feels far more human than its skyline. This route balances icons, neighborhoods, beaches, food, and desert. November through March brings the easiest weather for long outdoor days. April and October can work well if you plan around midday heat. In summer, build around air-conditioned attractions and short evening walks. Pack breathable clothes, comfortable shoes, sun protection, and a light layer. Beachwear belongs at beaches and pools. Dress more modestly elsewhere. Dubai International is efficient, but the terminals are enormous. The Red Line connects Terminals 1 and 3 with much of the city. Buy a Knoll card and tap in and out on public transport. Taxis are plentiful. Use official ranks or a recognized booking app. Stay downtown for icons, Marina for evenings, or Old Dubai for character. Check taxes and tourism fees before comparing the final hotel price. Reserve Burj Khalifa, Museum of the Future, and desert tours before peak dates. Now let us build 4 days that move with the city, not against it. Start day 1 in Al Fahidi before the lanes become busy. Wind towers and shaded courtyards reveal how Dubai handled heat before glass. A guided cultural visit adds context that skyscrapers cannot give you. Then cross Dubai Creek by Abra, simple, breezy, and unforgettable. The spice souk is best explored slowly with curiosity and polite bargaining. At the Gold Souk, compare workmanship and ask clearly about the final price. For lunch, follow the aroma of grills, bakeries, and cafeteria chai. Walk Al Seef at sunset when heritage facades glow beside the creek. A creekside dinner feels calmer than rushing straight back downtown. Day 2 begins downtown, with Burj Khalifa guiding every turn. Look up from Burj Park first. Scale is the real attraction. Book an observation time before sunset, then arrive earlier than expected. Dubai Mall is a district, not a quick shopping stop. Even the enormous aquarium window can be enjoyed without entering. Pause for lunch away from the busiest fountain-facing tables. Museum of the Future needs advance booking, but the exterior alone is remarkable. Ride the metro for effortless views along Sheikh Zayed Road. Dubai Frame makes the old city and new skyline share one view. Return after dark for the fountains and Burj Khalifa lights. Stand back from the rail for easier exits and a wider photograph. Day 3 starts at Dubai Marina before the promenade fills. Walk a short section. The waterfront is longer than it looks. A public ferry or shared boat can beat the price of a private yacht. Cross toward Bluewaters for open skyline views and sea air. The Palm monorail offers the clearest sense of the island's scale. From the Palm viewpoint, the island's geometry finally makes sense. Atlantis anchors the far end, impressive even without an attraction ticket. Palm West Beach is polished. Choose it for facilities and sunset. Kite Beach feels more casual with space, food, and local energy. Photograph Burj Al Arab from the public shoreline, not a dangerous roadside stop. Medinat Jumeirah mixes waterways and souk-style lanes into an easy evening. Finish near the marina, but compare menus before choosing a waterfront table. Day 4 leaves the skyline for the desert, ideally with a licensed operator. Morning dunes bring softer light, cooler air, and fewer vehicles. If dune driving is included, wear the seatbelt and follow the guide. Choose smaller group experiences that respect wildlife and protected land. Camel and falcon encounters are better when animal welfare comes first. The desert sunset is quiet enough to reset the whole trip. Back in the city, Al Sirkal Avenue shows Dubai's creative, less obvious side. At Jumeirah Mosque, join an authorized visit and dress respectfully. Save one unhurried beach sunset. Dubai should not feel like a checklist. Try an Emirati breakfast, gag bread, eggs, dates, and Arabic coffee. For something heartier, match booze layers fragrant rice, spice, and meat or fish. Shawarma and karak tea prove memorable food does not need a luxury address. Finish with warm lukaimat, crisp outside, and sweet with date syrup. Use metro for long corridors, taxis for the gaps, and walking only in clusters. Ask before photographing people and never photograph restricted government sites. Dubai works best when you alternate spectacle with neighborhoods and open space. Plan the anchors, leave breathing room, and save this guide for Dubai.